I'll just be quiet. Brother, no, please. Sorry. Really, you're really waving at me. ECOTune, some of the best tuners in the game. Not really ecological, but actually very, very fast. I'm sure they can do maybe some fuel consumption tune as well, but I know them from building very, very fast engines for drag racing, for track, you name it. So I'm always excited when I get a car from them. What's done to it?
Oh, so it's I guess it's IS38.
Let's have a look underneath.
400 horsepower. Got big intercooler.
Yeah. Oh, that looks nice. The intake.
Titanium intake. It's like upgraded like clutch.
Nice.
Got aero on the front. I don't know how effective it is. I'm sure you built.
Tiny bit, yeah, tiny bit.
Tell me more. And then it's got half cage buckets, harnesses.
Nice.
Everything like that. So yeah, it's been good fun.
Very cool.
I've owned it for 5 years and
really?
I've just built it slowly, so yeah.
Nice.
Still more to be done, definitely. But
well, the engine is very, very good. Also, the brake package with the bigger brakes. Those are bigger, right? Slightly.
yes, yes.
Yeah, and different discs. It's also very, very good. The only thing that I really, unfortunately, disliked, not only on this car, but on all the cars, but in this car also in particular with all the extra power. The tires, acceleras, it's more like slidera, because they do not make you accelera because you have only wheel spin in the straights and in the corner, so it was kind of frustrating. But luckily that was not the only thing that ruined the whole experience. There was some other traffic that ruined the experience as well. I'll let you be the judge of that. So yeah. Other than that, you are, what was it, yellow speed coilovers?
Yes.
Yeah, actually also quite good. It's a bit soft and it's rubbing a bit, but other than that, it's okay. It's just for the rest we have seats. It's a manual, also very important, that can handle much more torque than DSG, and actually very nice to drive. Half cage, and that's mostly it. Another driver excuse, could not adjust the seat, but it wasn't that big of an issue. I think I did quite alright. Anything else we missed or should mention?
No, I think that's it.
I think that's it.
Yeah.
No, very good. Yeah, I would genuinely love to drive this car again with decent tires, because that was.
I'll come back next year
yeah,
with an LSD and better tires.
Because it's really everything else was so good, and yeah, this was just really not that good. All right, well, I guess you see for yourself and enjoy me having a bit of a road rage. All right, welcome on board. Off our lap with the Polo. Should we let this GT3 RS pass? Although it's a rental car. Couldn't tell by the license plate because I know it belongs to a Ring Taxi. Where should I put this? 100% gonna forget it, but Misha try not to forget it. I have another GT3 behind us here, so it's gonna be interesting. Yeah. For the GPS, till oh no, he touched the curb. And I'm also gonna go over the cone maybe. Oh, it's a G3 Touring behind. Accelera tires do not make you accelerate because, yeah, not the best of grip. Ooh, but the power, always good. ECOTune, love those guys. Woo! Well, they didn't do the suspension. Brakes, very good on this car. But tires do not match the build. Gonna be lots of wheel spin. Woo! And not only wheel spin, also a bit of sideways action. But yeah, I love this Polo, this generation, because it's nice and lightweight. Come on, come on, come on. A very capable engine. You can do lots of fun with it. Just yeah, sad that the tires don't match the rest of the build. Yeah, because now it's a bit of all over the place, but the engine is really good. I'm happy that we now finally don't have the hot weather anymore, like we had the first heat wave of 2026, the first one, because at this point they predict another one, and yeah, not the best. GT3 Touring, still So much scrape, yeah. It's kind of unfortunate because power-wise it's very capable, but I don't feel confident pushing it with these tires. Not only there is very little grip on the front, there's also of course very little grip on the rear. Oof, some scraping. Should have done what you call it. Stateside supercars here. I don't see them. Man, those tires are kind of frustrating, but yeah. Oh, what's that there? The Lotus. Stateside Supercars camera number 1 was another unforced. Unfortunately, there is very little control that we have. Control over the chassis with these tires. Now, is they also warming up? Man. It's really, I mean, I hate talking shit about someone else's product, but it's not that I'm in tire business, but how is this called semi-slick? It looks like a semi-slick, it's being sold as a semi-slick, but performance-wise, what is that even? Some airport rental or something. Performance-wise, you can get like Continental Conti 7s or PS4S, and profile-wise, those are just normal high-performance street tires, but the grip levels are so much higher. Again, these Acceleras, Zestinos, what else we have? ADO8 RS. I don't know why they call it RS if it's like worse than the normal one. Come on. So yeah. Oh, I love this Lotus. Exige 360, or can we read it? Yeah, I think it's, no, 380 maybe even. Not sure if I can read the badge. No, 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 no. Man, what's up today with... So now he thinks I do not want to overtake, but... Public service announcement: during public session on the Nürburgring, the same road rules as on a public road apply. Therefore, you can only overtake on the left side, and overtaking on the right is prohibited. Otherwise, you're gonna get banned from the track for the day, or maybe even more. So, even though he's inviting, me personally, I'm not allowed to do it, because we need to set an example. But even aside from that, the marshals will be like, "Hey Misha, what the hell? You're banned." I'll just be quiet. Brother, no! Please! Sorry. It was very frustrating because if he would hold his line, he would move to the right and I could pass on the left. But instead, he decides to pull over maximum to the left, turn on the indicator to the left, so I can pass on the right. Why would you want to do that? Oh, man. Can you? Now I'm afraid of passing him because he's gonna be like, he's gonna turn in now. Really, you're really waving at me. That was really freaking frustrating. I mean, first the tires, but that Lotus. I mean, sure, it's like, am I allowed to be frustrated when people don't know the rules? Yeah, I don't know. I think if you decide to do any kind of sports activity, maybe you should read the rules. Alright, well, what can I say? Great car. Quite bad tires. But we couldn't push it anyway because we had other traffic ahead of us. So yeah. Kind of sad. But you cannot have it all in life, I guess, right?